All right, we have made it to lesson 14, and this is the first task in lesson 14, and it's going to be a little bit of a reminder, a refresher on calculating surface area. So, remember, to find surface area, the way you do that is you find the area of all of the faces or all of the sides of the figure that you are trying to find the surface area of. So, in this case here, we're talking about a cube. So a cube is actually a little bit easier because a cube means that all of the sides are the same. So if you wanted to find the area of one of the sides, one of the faces, I should say, you're just going to take the side length times the side length because it's the same. It's 10. In this case, it's 10 and 10. So it's just going to be 10 times 10, and that'll give you the area of one of the faces. And 10 times 10, you should know by now, is 10 squared. So keep that in mind. So 10 squared will give you the area of one of the faces, and because it's a cube, we know that there are 6 faces and that they all are the same. So because of that, we can actually make it a little bit easier. It's a little bit quicker to do the calculation. So you can see here for both Jada and Noah, they set it up correctly. 6 that they both use is representing the number of faces. There's 6. There's the top, the bottom, the front, the back, the left, the right. Okay, so 6 faces, that's where the 6 comes from. And the 10 squared comes just what I was saying here. The area of one of the faces is going to be the side times the side. And since it's 10 inches, it's going to be 10 times 10, or 10 squared. So both of them start out correct. Okay, so we want to see if one of them is correct, or maybe both of them are correct, or maybe neither one is correct. So we want to see what they did. So they started correct, and then the next step, Jada said 6 times 10 squared, that's 6 times 100, and then 6 times 100 is 600. Okay, well, 10 squared is in fact 100, and so 6 times 100 is correct, and it is 600. Jada is correct. We can say, yes, good job, Jada. Is Noah correct? Noah, again, he starts out correct, and then he says 6 times 10 squared is 60 squared. Okay, well, 6 times 10 is 60, but Noah forgot something. Noah forgot that we need to work on the exponents first. You guys should have hopefully learned this. If you didn't, now you know. Exponents come before we multiply. So we have to work out the 10 squared first, and that, as we said, is going to be 100. And so you're going to end up with 100 times 6. So Noah's method is not correct. So sorry, Noah. Try again next time.